Meaning of hetero.
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 Hetero. The prefix hetero- means different or other. It is commonly used in scientific terminology to describe things that are diverse or composed of dissimilar parts. For example, in biology, the term heterozygous refers to an individual with two different alleles for a particular gene, while heterogeneous describes a mixture of different substances or elements. The concept of heterogeneity is also important in fields such as sociology and economics, where it refers to the diversity of individuals, groups, or markets. Overall, the prefix hetero- implies variation or contrast with something else.